Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to earn 10% profit on Ethereum Classic Arbitrage using the Bitokx exchange. As you can see on this exchange, the cryptocurrency rate is 10% higher than on Binance. Let's replenish our balance with Ethereum Classic. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Select your ATC wallet and copy it. Then go to Binance to replenish it. I'll start with 500 ATC, which is about $10,000 at the time the video was recorded. A few minutes passed and the money came to the balance. Pay attention, friends. As you can see on our balance sheet, the amount is already more than the one that I showed you before. Now go to trading. Enter the entire amount and click sell. Great, now we have the sum in USDT. Let's go to the wallet and withdraw it. Click on withdraw, select tether. Go to Binance to copy your USDT address. Insert your address. Enter the entire amount for withdrawal. Please note that the commission of the Bitokx exchange is $1. Click withdraw now and wait for the confirmation of the transaction in the blockchain. As you can see, in such an easy way, we earned 10% of the money invested in just one round. Use this scheme. Have a nice day, everyone.